So you're posting YouTube shorts, you're getting views and still not making a dime. Well, I've got news for you. You don't need to wait on Google AdSense to get paid. Yeah, you heard me right. YouTube has a new monetization system for shorts, for YouTube shorts. And there are at least 5 ways to turn your 60-second videos or less into real income, even if you have 0 subscribers and no long form content. You heard me right? This video is going to break it all down. And I'm also going to share how I'm using YouTube Shorts to sell digital products, build an email list, and even grow my brand outside of YouTube. So don't go anywhere, because we are flipping the monetization script starting now. Hey, it's Cheryl from Lifing with Cheryl. Of course, you know that. And if you're new here, I teach content creators how to grow their channels on YouTube, monetize their message, and build income outside of YouTube's paycheck. You don't want to depend on Google AdSense alone. And today I'm going to show you how YouTube Shorts can become your shortcut to success and why waiting on AdSense might actually be slowing you down. And yes, my brand new ebook, 40 plus epic ways to monetize your YouTube channel without the partner program, has even more strategies that most creators haven't even thought about. Stick around. I'm about to drop the blueprint. Let's talk about it. And let's talk about understanding YouTube Shorts and its monetization. Okay, let's break this down. YouTube now shares ad revenue from shorts through something called Shorts monetization. And unlike regular long form videos, the ads are placed between your shorts and not on them. Let me explain. YouTube takes that revenue and splits it among creators based on how many views their shorts get. So if your YouTube short hits 100,000 views, for example, and someone else's hits 10,000, you're getting a bigger slice of that pie. Here are the 2 ways that you qualify. Option 1, 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views in 90 days. Option 2, 500 subscribers and 3 public uploads in 90 days, and either 3,000 public watch hours or 3 million shorts views. Now, if that sounds out of reach, don't panic. Don't panic just yet. You don't have to qualify to start monetizing. We are going to talk about other ways to make money from shorts in a minute. So stick around. Well, here's the key though. Shorts are high volume. They're fast, they're addictive, and YouTube is pushing them hard to compete with TikTok. So if you're making good content, you've already got an edge on other creators. So you're going to use shorts though to build a money funnel. Let's get into the good stuff. How to make money with shorts even if you're not monetized. This is what I call shorts funnel strategy. Here's how it works. You post a short, you make it attention grabbing and deliver value. Something your niche actually needs. Think something like top 3 free editing apps. 1 sentence that hooks viewers in 3 seconds. What not to do in your first 10 videos. A title like that. Keep it punchy. Keep it clear. Let them know exactly what they're getting. In your pinned comment or description, offer a freebie. Something like, let's say, a checklist, a simple PDF, maybe 5 to 10 pages, a mini course, a free chapter from your ebook, from your paid ebook. They click, they opt in, boom, they're on an email list, your email list. And from your email list, that's where you build trust. And then you can send them an affiliate link, a low ticket product, or your full digital product, whether it's a course or an ebook or video guides. This method works regardless of YouTube's algorithm. You're building a real business now, one that doesn't shut down when your views slow down. I've used this exact method to drive traffic to my ebook, 40 plus epic ways to monetize YouTube without the partner program. And it works like magic. Why does it work? Because it meets people where they are where they are watching fast content and hunger to solve problems quickly. Tools to make shorts easier than ever. Let's talk about that. Let me tell you what changed the game for me. YouTube's new AI tools for shorts. Yep. YouTube is now giving creators built-in features like AI-generated beats to match your video rhythm, custom instruments to add your own vibe, auto sync features that time your cuts to music like a pro editor. So now you don't have to be some cinematic genius. These tools help you create slick, engaging content fast. And that means more uploads, more views, and yep, more cash, more opportunities. And by the way, shorts also perform extremely well on Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels. So don't cut that out yet. You can repurpose them, reuse them, and rinse and repeat. Real world monetization examples. That's what we're going to talk about now. Let me give you a few real examples of creators monetizing shorts without AdSense. One creator I follow teaches Excel tips. She uses shorts to plug her downloadable spreadsheet packs. And she makes 4 figures a month from a product she built once. Another runs a parenting channel. Her shorts drive traffic to a toddler planner on Etsy. No AdSense, just smart linking in the description. I personally use shorts to lead viewers to my ebook. In one 9-day period, one short brought me in over 70 downloads of a free lead magnet that I created and upsold 14 copies of my paid ebook. Let that sink in. These numbers might not seem massive to you, but remember, this is without monetization from the AdSense program, without YouTube's permission as well. You're not waiting for anything. You're in control. You're not waiting for YouTube. You're in control. And listen, what I just shared is just the surface. Inside my ebook, I break down 40 plus ways that you can monetize your YouTube channel, even if you've never been accepted into the partner program. 40 plus, about 43, I think. And most of them, you've probably never even considered or heard about them. If you want to start treating your YouTube like a business it can be, grab that ebook in the description. The link is in the description. Grab it right now. I created it for the version of me who was posting videos after videos and wondering, when does the money start? It can be frustrating and you can burn out. But the answer, it starts when you stop waiting on AdSense and start using strategy. Here are some final tips to maximize your shorts. We're going to close this out with a few rapid fire tips to help you hold and blow up your shorts. Always lead with a hook in the first 2 seconds. Quick and fast. No greetings, no fluff. Grab attention fast, very fast. People don't have time to wait around. Keep shorts vertical, and native to mobile phones. Make them scroll stoppers. Yes, they have to stop. They have to click. That's how you want it, right? Add captions, bold text, or animated elements, subtitles to boost engagement, because that's when the algorithm notices you. Use pinned comments to guide people to your links or free offers. That is just so important. You have to show them what to do, how to take action, and most importantly, be consistent. One short won't change your life, but 50 just might. All right. And make sure you use your shorts to lead them to the long form video. Remember, shorts don't require perfection. They require persistent and consistency. So if you're ready to make money with YouTube shorts, Without AdSense, without subscribers, without the partner program, then start with what you've got. Your phone, your voice, and the value that you offer. Post a short, plug your product, start your funnel, which is your lead magnet, so that you can get their emails. And if you need more help, download my ebook. It's 40 plus epic ways to monetize your YouTube channel without the partner program. I know you're going to be happy to get that book. The link is in the description, let me remind you. And I made it with creators like you in mind. I definitely did. Now go record that next short. I'll see you in the next video. And always remember that there are ways to make money, honey. You don't have to rely on YouTube platform. You can do this. Just grab my ebook in the description. Take care now and go level up your channel, okay?